Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video it's a short demonstration of the iCarsoft POR version 1.0 kit, using it on a Porsche Cayenne, a 2013 Porsche Cayenne which has a check engine light. So it's a highly recommended tool first of all from us at Car Tech, and it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. So we have a check engine light, as you can see. This is the POR version 1.0 kit, which is plugged in. The other end of this cable is plugged into the diagnostic port underneath here. There's a bit of glare on screen here. I do apologise about that. Maybe it might be better if I put that there. So we're going to select diagnostics. First of all, a bit of background information. The RPM needle, as you can see there, is really it's really stable. But previously it was fluctuating a bit, it was going up and down, and it was very unstable. So we're going to show you the fault code we've been getting, which was in relation to the fluctuating RPM needle. So selecting our vehicle first of all, and we're going to manually select the engine system. Read DTC, so we're getting P01040, and it's a hot film mass airflow sensor. So the fluctuating RPMs were assigned that there was a faulty mass airflow sensor, or MAF as it's also known. So what we've done is we put a new MAF in, and since we put a new MAF in, the RPM needle has not been fluctuating at all. It's been very stable. So obviously what we've done is cured the problem. The car's running really well now. It's just we still have the check engine light and we still have this fault code here. So the way to get rid of these is by using this iCarsoft POR version 1.0 kit. And we can click on to clear DTCs. Now when I click enter here, just keep one eye on the check engine light. There we go, check engine light is gone and erase operation done on screen. So that's how it's worked for us in this particular circumstance. Obviously there are lots of different sensors within the engine module that can sort of cause the check engine light and cause a different fault to come up on screen here. That's just one of, I don't know, probably 200 or 300 which you may well get. But ultimately this is the tool which is going to allow you to diagnose the fault. Once you've fixed the fault, actually reset the warning lights and obviously the fault codes on screen here. So we click back here, and as I say, this kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching this car tech video, and I hope it's helped.